Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech, back again with a new video. In today's video we do have the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector for the Galaxy S10, and here we do have the Galaxy S10 with a third-party tempered glass screen protector that claimed it would actually work with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader, but in reality it does not. It does have some bubbling effects which cannot be removed, so it's been about 24 hours and those bubbles are still there. And now is a good time to actually take this out and replace it with the Whitestone Dome Glass. So right now I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the Whitestone Dome Glass. This is probably about like 40 or 50 bucks on Amazon. If you get the dual screen protectors, it's probably going to run you up around 60. So let's go ahead and unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector for the Galaxy S10. Now right out the box it says you do have full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage, full filling. So you're definitely protected, and it does come with a UV light. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside the box. Okay, so this is most likely going to be that UV light. So here we have the UV light, and we do have that USB, micro USB cable. So we could power this on. That's pretty cool. So here we go. Now we have the instruction manual. I'm going to place that over here. I'm actually going to read that, pause this and read that. So let's see what else we have. So we have the dust remover sticker. We have the alcohol wipes. We have a lint cloth, and we have more alcohol wipes. And inside we do have this black tab, and we do have that tempered glass screen protector. Let me just pull this out real quick. Okay, so these are going to be stickers for the speaker ports because you don't want glue getting into the speaker ports. So I'll put this to the side, and here we do have the tempered glass over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions thoroughly, and I'm going to make sure I get this done right on the first time. And if you guys are wondering why I'm so paranoid about having a tempered glass screen protector, it's because with my Galaxy S6 Edge, which was one of my most favorite phones of 2015, 2016, I did end up cracking it. It was it wasn't even that hard of a drop. So since then, I've been very paranoid about protecting my device. So I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions. I'll come back and I'll set it up for you guys.